Yes, as you can see there too. It's like, hey. You have your house shoes on, no? Go back inside. I'll let you know when it is. But what you gonna do today?
Swim.
Is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah, and put our swimsuits and put our swimsuit on and put on and our swim shoes on.
Come here real quick. Thank you.
And we're gonna put our
What's good, everybody? Glass Ace time. Been at the vlog like we are here. It's early morning on a damn Friday, and I am putting together a Playday 10-foot kiddie pool that I thought was a smaller kiddie pool, but this motherfucker's kind of big, so I got to come out here and do it. And as I was putting it together, or trying to put it together, I realized, like, oh man, fuck that. Let me go ahead and bring this out here and make a vlog out of it so I can show you how to do it. Do that one time for your boy, for your folk. Let me get together. I'm gonna get down the bits and pieces, and we're gonna show y'all what we're working with. Okay, we are back. I pulled the pool out, other little necessities that I'm gonna need. I'm gonna break down exactly what I thought, how easy this was gonna be, and how it just changed. Oh, my hair and everything. Look here, y'all do not comment and everything. This is quarantine, stay at home time. It's early morning, working from home. This is bearded daddy time. This ain't no goddamn model expertise, so we gonna keep it like that. So what I actually thought this was like a 3-foot pool. Well, I take that back. I knew it was a big pool, but as far as the hookups and the connections, I thought like maybe I can, get the air pump that I can use for, a bike or something like that, and just get my workout in, tricep, chest, shoulders, and it was just gonna be a workout, and that's how I was gonna treat it. No, it's not like that. Let me show you. So this is the pool. Go all the way back there. Then it's wide. So initially, what I thought. Okay, see these hookups. These hookups are too large for this goddamn air pump that I thought was gonna work. So that's not gonna work. Oh, water hose in there. So that's not gonna work. So I had to borrow electric pump from Intex. So I'm using this pump that I got used to blow this up, and as you can see, those right there. Come on.
Hi Daddy, where you up to?
Come right here. Hey. Tell me your name. What's your name?
Squeeze.
What's your name?
Sweet.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yes. As you can see there too. It's like, hey. You have your house shoes on, no? I'll let you know when it is. But what you gonna do today?
Swim.
Is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah, and put our swimsuits and put our swimsuit on and put on and our swim shoes on.
Come here real quick. Thank you.
And we're gonna put our swim shoes on.
Ooh, wait. Yes. Okay. Go outside. I'll be back. Go outside. I'll let you know when to come back. Thank you. Close the door. As you can see how excited they are. Right here is where I'll probably put the pool. The reason I put it right here is because right there is the goddamn water plug. That's where the hose come in. And so it has to go there because the water hose isn't long enough to stretch. Well, I put it right here because it would be lovely to put it here. But I don't have water hose long enough, and there is no connection. There's no connection here for it, and the connection on the other side of the house, that's the only connection. So I can't fill it up right here and then try to drag that motherfucker here. What, you know how heavy that shit'll be? So yeah, that we ain't gonna do that. So yeah, they just gonna have to go right here, and I hate it because I really would like them to be against that wall. So that's what we're gonna do. But hey, let me get this motherfucker get it pumped up. Hey, check it, let me tell you how these motherfucking wins count. So initially I thought I was gonna have to hold this and kind of just be holding this motherfucker and be sitting. No, this motherfucker has different connections that actually work for this. Look at this. Bam, so all I gotta do is just sit out and let it go and let it do its thing. Hey, look here, I'm gonna appreciate some of these wins of life so I can sit back and let it chill and drink my favorite apple juice while I chill and let this go ahead and take effect. So yeah, I'll be back.
Hi, Daddy. Where you up to?
Okay,
God. Daddy, you are strong. Daddy, why you are strong? Why you are strong?
Because I'm a daddy, and daddy's supposed to be strong.
I'm strong too.
Yes, you are strong. You're strong. You're smart, and you can do anything you want to do. So, as you can see, it's already inflated. Yeah, it's the height, so now it's time for the water. So, it's going to be a minute. So, as soon as the water gets probably about that much, I'm probably going to let them hop in because it's going to take a while for it to fill up.
How about you go over here and I'll go over here? That's a good idea. Yeah,
Okay, so let's go inside now.
and get our,
So I can put some water in it.
and then put our swimsuits on
And yeah, we're gonna put swimsuits on in a little while. Thank you for pulling out the water hose. I'll pull it out, so yeah, almost there, I'll be back.
Bye.
Bitter Daddy, we are here. Life hacks, pool is done, we're still going. But hey, go ahead.
Go.
How do you feel?
It's cool. Daddy, how do I put my head on there?
Well, you gotta wait for more water to come first. More water. That's it. You wet the pool. Wet the slide. Look here. Dad life hacks. Dad life hacks. Gotta get to it. So they couldn't wait. So I had to go ahead and let them jump in. Go ahead. Yes. Go ahead. So the hose did stretch, and they are there, as opposed to being over here. They right there. Ceiling fan going. I know it'll be okay. So I'm about to sit down here and get my computer desk and laptop and get some edits in and chill and drink a little bit of Ace time, Bitter Daddy Vlog Life. We are here with the pool, so we in the game.